could 5G already be dead in the water? If you still think 5G is still the next big investment opportunity, then I have some shocking news for you today. Now, most people have never heard about this. You see, a new technology is emerging right now. It's arguably going to be the biggest tech disruption since the invention of the internet, creating just as many opportunities and wealth. And if you click here right now, I'll show you how you could get in early on stocks set to explode when this new technology goes live. Now listen, the birth of the internet created unicorns like Google, Amazon, and Facebook. Odds are you missed out on investing early in these behemoths though. The good news is that this is your second chance, and it looks like it could be even bigger. So let me explain. I'm Jeff Yasteen, a former veteran journalist and tech investment analyst. And when I recently stumbled upon this new opportunity, I knew that I needed to tell you about it, to shed light on this incredible opportunity that could mint more millionaires than the internet did. So if you click here now, I'll show you how and why. Because this time I want to give ordinary folks a chance to get in on the ground floor. Now that said, the reason I'm able to share this with you here today is all thanks to the information of one tech insider who I'll call Mr. X for now. He's one of the most successful early stage investors in the world, and he's made millions from disruptive events like the launch of the internet, biotechnology, and the emergence of a legal cannabis industry. So I've tracked him down and I've gotten him to reveal everything that he knows about the next big tech disruption. You see, before the internet, owning a PC was very uncommon. However, once the internet came along and came online, demand for a PC in every household shot through the roof. And that helped Microsoft see an incredible run of 5,806% gains from 1995 to 2020, and allowed companies like AMD, which helped make the parts needed for PCs to work, to see a healthy surge of 605% gains from 1995 to today. It even spurred the creation of Amazon, the $1,734 billion behemoth that's seen an astronomical 120,000% in gains since its IPO back in 1997. My point is that whenever disruptive technology like the internet emerges, stocks of related companies skyrocket, simply because these new technologies allow them to tap into completely new opportunities that weren't there before. And right now, history is about to repeat itself. A new disruptive technology is on the horizon, one that will make the overhyped 5G revolution seem like a drop in the bucket. And it could easily be the biggest tech disruption since the internet. So this is not sci-fi, it's not theory, it's not something that might happen. It's happening right now. The beta rollout has already begun. And if you click here now, I'll show you how early investors could witness gains much bigger than anything that we've ever seen before. So just imagine what it would have been like to get in early on Amazon back in 1997. Just a small $1,000 investment could have turned you into a millionaire today. Well, a single $5,000 investment could have turned you into a multi-millionaire today. And with just one investment, you could have created the kind of wealth that would have let you live your life traveling the world perhaps, or spending more quality time with your children and grandchildren, and playing golf on Thursdays with your friends. So starting today, you don't have to imagine any longer. This explosive potential is about to become very real. In fact, this new disruptive technology could help mint a new generation of millionaires and even billionaires within the next 6 months. And if you click here right now, we'll go into detail about everything you need to know about this revolutionary opportunity, so you can get in early on the next Microsoft, the next AMD, the next Amazon, and potentially make a killing in the process. Now, there isn't much time left before this disruptive technology comes fully online though. It's already being tested out in the field. Related stocks are already surging, and now is the best time to get in. If you don't, it could be too late. And just like with Google, Amazon, and Facebook, in 10 years from now, you'll be stuck wishing that you had followed your gut and gotten in on this opportunity today. So don't wait to take action today. Click here now and watch as Mr. X reveals his top 4 stocks that he believes are primed to skyrocket once this disruptive tech comes online. Now, you don't have to worry about hours of researching and analyzing companies. You'll already have 4 stocks that could be the next Microsoft, AMD, or Amazon. And you'll be on your way to massive profits once this breakthrough technology goes live.